I'm Colleen.
And I'm Caitlin. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Today's craft is called Perler Bead Summer Coasters. So you can put a drink on a coaster about this size. What you'll need to do that is a large circular pegboard, perler beads, some tweezers which can help you pick up the beads. You'll need some wax paper and an iron as well. You want to place 11 beads from the center point out, which is about the size you'll need for your coaster. So it's about that big. Choose what kind of citrus fruit you want. You could do watermelon, lemon, lime, orange. I think I'm gonna do an orange today since I have my orange and white here. So I'm gonna start with the white. And you're gonna start with a kind of flower shape in the middle. Now the 11th bead is going to wrap around here, and that's going to be the outer rind of the citrus fruit. You can do like a darker orange and then a lighter orange in the middle, but we only have one color orange here, so we're just going to use that on both the outside and the inside. Okay, once you have completed your citrus, you're going to iron it together. So you're gonna put your wax paper over top. You're gonna heat up an iron, and you're gonna do about quick little circles, a little bit of pressure for about 10 seconds on each side. Once you start seeing the perler beads stick to the paper a little bit, then you'll know that it's probably ready to turn over. Turn it over. Once you feel ready, you can lift off your pegboard, and then you want to iron the other side. Let it cool down a bit before you peel it off. And you can decide too how much you want to flatten it. Now this got a little wobbly because it was flattened a little bit too much. And this side didn't completely melt through, so this time I think I'm going to leave it just kind of partially melted. And there you go. Now you have your own summer coaster. Enjoy these in the summertime or really anytime. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.